Welcome to Echo Geek. I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios. We're all busy these days. In the age of technology, some of my favorite devices are ones that connect us and help us communicate with each other with ease. Today, we're going to show you how Alexa can intercom Echo devices in your home for one-way and two-way communications. Using this feature allows you to send quick announcements or have two-way conversations with other Echo devices in your home. No more yelling up the stairs to friends and family. Dinner! To make an announcement, simply say, Alexa, announce, cookies are done. And the announcement will be made on all of the Echo devices in your home. Alexa, announce, cookies are done.
Announcing.
Cookies are done. You can also have a two-way conversation with a specific device in a designated room. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. Movie's ready. Don't forget to grab the popcorn.
Don't start without me. I'm pouring it into a bowl now.
Why would you say this to me?
Using your Alexa app, you can make announcements or drop in on your Echo devices at home to share a message. Just open your Alexa app and click the Communicate button on the lower left. Then click Drop In and choose your device. It will connect you directly. Sorry I'm running late. Traffic's a mess, but I picked up dinner.
Thanks for letting me know.
Now you know how to use your connected home to stay connected with your family and friends.
Brian, it is time to go.
Thanks for watching and see you next time on Echo Geek.